Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful crypto trading strategy using only moving average, convergence, divergence, and the latest trade index. This is perfect for beginners because you don't need exponential moving average or any extra indicators, just MACD and then latest trend and then the signal of your replay. Now let's go into the tutorial. Firstly, you only need two indicators. The first one is MACD that you are seeing here. The second one is latest rate index. Before you set up this thing, you have to come to this indicator and select the indicator you want. Firstly, let me explain what are we going to use this MACD for in this tutorial. Firstly, is that to understand the indicator. Firstly, is that MACD tell you when momentum is going up. This line is telling you when the crypto or when the market is going up, and then it's telling you when momentum is coming down back. Thirdly, it's telling you when buyer or seller are taking over. If you look at this histogram color, you see line crossings, MACD lines, and signal lines. Whenever you see this green line and it crosses above, this is the MACD lines above, and then this histogram, whenever you see the red like this, MACD line is the one below, because whenever you see markets in an uptrend, MACD line always come at the top, and then whenever you see it at the downtrend, MACD line always at the bottom. Meanwhile, we have two line here with this MACD line and then this signal line. That's it. So secondly, what RSI tell you, this one, what is telling you is that when price is overbought, when price is oversold, when reversal is coming, RSI is above 70 overbought and below 30, that is oversold. If you look at the percent here, 71, it's already telling you the market is oversold at this point. So if you are buying at this point, that means you are risking your money. And then at this level we are now, it is telling us the price is already oversold. If you are selling at this point, you are wrong, most especially if you cannot track your trading. So now let's go on buy signal. The first rule is that RSI must be below 40 and turning upward. This show market was oversold and buyer are coming back. See, if you want to learn this thing, firstly, what I'll explain to you guys is that don't always chase the candle. Whenever you see the market coming down, always wait perfectly for 15 minutes time frame or the second line or the second candle for you to enter the market at the moment. You can see the market coming down, at the end it will still turn to bullish. So if you are like impatient guys, you will be losing money every day. So the second one is MACD histogram must turn green. So at this point, you say the histogram we are here is already done, which means it's not yet time to buy or to sell. You have to wait patiently for markets to correct and move to perfect prediction, because at this point the market is unclear. If you are the type of person that always trade blindly, you just keep losing money every day. So the thirdly is candle must show sign of rejection or forming a bullish form. If you are like a person that is trading, let me use this one as a sample for you. You see at this point the candle is bullish and it went up badly. So when it's coming down, you don't have to predict short at this point. You have to wait patiently for the pullback. This is the fourth pullback, and then the second pullback is weak. This is the third pullback telling you that seller are coming in, and what happened is come down massively. Even if you draw your support at this point, what already happened again here is this break the support, which means it's still coming down massively. And at this point, the trend has not ended, which means it can still come back at any time because the market have not recovered. So when all these conditions align, you enter a buy trade, and then stop loss. You have to put your stop loss below the recent swing low and take profits at the above. So secondly is sex signal. Now sex signal simply the opposite. RSI must be above 60 and fourth and turning down trades. So at this point, RSI is already above 70 at this point, and then what is already turning down? What when you see a market like this, sorry, When you see a market like this, that means the market is already losing momentum, is coming down. So the second thing is that MACD histograms turns red at this point. You see the histogram is already in red, telling you this is sell option. And then the third one is candle show rejection or bearish momentum. So when everything align like this too, this is a sell trade signal. So always place your stop loss above the recent swing high. Step 4 is example scenario. So just let me give you a simple example. RSI dropped to 35% like this. So RSI curve upward. MACD moving average converted histogram stone grains enter boy. So that is the simple scenario of boy setups when RSI drop to 34, when RSI recover upward, and then when MACD histograms turn to green. But at this point, MACD histogram is red, so you just have to wait patiently for markets to recover. But for sell option is when rated straight in the right 6 above 70%, and then when rated straight in the curve downward, and then when MACD turns red, enter sell. That is what happened at this moment when the market went up. You see the related strength index confirmed 70, and then the histograms of moving average converted averages turn to red. So this is the perfect example for you that the market is already losing momentum. So, but let me tell you when not to trade. When you rated stress index in the middle of 40 or 60, don't trade that one. And when market is ranging sideways. So this is why these strategies will work. This strategy work first. Related strength in the spot deal fast. MACD confirm the momentum. You avoid fake news, and then you don't need trend indicators. It works on any time frame, both 15, 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. And that's the full MACD and latest trading the strategy for beginner. If you want me to make a PDF version or create a sample, just comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. My name is Latif Sadiq. Enjoy.